What is the difference in cost between a gas and electric hot water heater?
Hello and welcome to our discussion on the cost differences between gas and electric hot water heaters. Today, we'll delve into the details, comparing the initial purchase cost, installation cost, and operational costs of both types of water heaters. Our goal is to help you make an informed decision based on your budget and needs.
What is the initial purchase cost?
The initial purchase cost is what you pay upfront when buying a new hot water heater. On average, electric water heaters tend to be less expensive than their gas counterparts, with prices ranging from $300 to $800. On the other hand, gas water heaters can cost anywhere from $400 to $1,000 or more, depending on the model and its features.
What about installation cost?
The installation cost can significantly vary based on your home's current setup. Typically, electric water heaters are less complicated and hence cheaper to install, with prices often ranging between $300 and $500. Gas water heaters, however, require a more complex setup, including gas lines and venting systems, leading to higher installation costs, typically between $700 and $1,500.
How do operational costs compare?
While electric heaters have lower upfront costs, they can often be more expensive in the long run due to higher operational costs. The cost to operate an electric water heater can range from $400 to $600 per year, based on average usage. Conversely, gas water heaters, despite their higher upfront costs, tend to be cheaper to run, costing approximately $200 to $400 per year. However, these figures can fluctuate based on local energy prices. In conclusion, while electric hot water heaters may appear more cost-effective upfront, gas heaters can often be more economical over time due to lower operational costs. Your final decision should take into account not only the purchase and installation costs, but also the long-term operational costs. We hope this comparison has been helpful and allows you to make the best choice for your hot water heating needs.